This video is for the rookie drummers out there, who I understand is facing a paradiddle challenge. So I thought I would go over the basics of a paradiddle, uh, try to help you guys out. So what a paradiddle is a four-note phrase. It sounds exactly like the name, paradiddle. The para part is single strokes, and the diddle part is double strokes. So para is this, and diddle is this. So that's one paradiddle, and that's right-handed. It's got a lot of right strokes, and then that leads into a left-handed, which is left, right, left, left. So there's the para part again, para, and then the diddle part, right? Pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do, pa. So that's it. But the thing I want you to understand, though, is that the paradiddle is a hybrid rudiment. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so to me, a hybrid rudiment is a rudiment that's made up of other rudiments. So the paradiddle is made up of two other rudiments. There's two other basic rudiments in it. One is the para part, which is a single stroke roll. And the diddle part, which is the double stroke roll. So you need to get those two rudiments together if you really want to do good paradiddles. And if you, the more you work on your singles and doubles, the better your paradiddles will get. Well, the better you could do your paradiddles if you work on your paradiddles. So the thing to understand is that is that after you get your singles and you work on your singles and you get and you get that rudiment together and you work on your doubles and you work on that one, and you have to work on getting from one to the other, because that's what the paradiddle does. It moves from one rudiment to the other, back and forth. So a good way to do that is to do a series of singles and a series of doubles, and change the doubles and then go back into singles again. So you sort of get used to going in and out of singles and doubles, in and out of each other. So so I would do, for instance, 16 singles and then 16 doubles, and then repeat it and do that over and over again. So here it is. So the idea is to get the singles and the doubles to sound the same. That's how you're going to get your paradiddles to be even. If you can make your singles and doubles even and sound the same, then when you switch back and forth, it's going to be a lot easier to get your paradiddles to sound even. So then I would half that. So let's now, let's bring it closer together. So the challenge was after 16 to make a change back and forth. Now let's make the change after 8. See what that looks like. A little harder because you have less time to make those moves, get in and out. All right, let's half it again. Let's go to 4 and 4 then. Make it even harder. Right, and then we can half it again, and you get 2 and 2, and you wind up with this. So basically what I did is I took two big chunks of singles and doubles next to each other, and I kept bringing them closer and closer together, and gotten used to making that change from the single rudiment to the double rudiment, back and forth, until I got them as close as you can get them, which is your paradiddle. And that's how the paradiddle is constructed. And if you understand that, You can get a nice single, and you get a nice double, then you should get a nice paradiddle. That's it.